Hi guys and welcome to the channel. My name's Mariella and my channel is In the Kitchen with Mariella. Hey, today is July the 1st. I can't believe June's already gone. Today's devotion is Train to Win. Don't you realize that in a race everyone runs, but only one person gets the prize? So run to win. All athletes are disciplined in their training. They do it to win a prize that will fade away. But we do it for an eternal prize. So I run with purpose in every step. I'm not just shadow boxing. 1 Corinthians 9:24 through 26. Apathy is real. Apathy is a very real struggle. It can be hard to get motivated for work, cleaning up the house, or getting your assignment done. God doesn't want us to be apathetic in our faith. We can easily become distracted by things in life that don't matter as much as eternity. Run to win. Not just to endure life, but to do the very best you can. It's not about competition. It's about enthusiasm. God, thank you for the day that you have given me. I pray that I would see the value of eternity in the little things that I do for you. Give me energy each day to run this race of faith. The nighttime. It can be exhausting even thinking about the amount of training a professional athlete puts into their particular sport. It feels almost impossible that we could give ourselves into that kind of shape, that we could get ourselves into that kind of shape. Paul was using this analogy to describe the hard work it takes to maintain our faith in this life. This world needs us to be an example of a life lived with purpose. The question of the day: what are you struggling to see purpose in your life? Ask God to breathe new inspiration into that area. One of the things I'm struggling with is doing these daily devotions. Not because I don't like doing them, because I love doing them. But because when I post the videos, my videos aren't even getting 20 views. And it's like, God, what am I doing wrong? Why are my videos not getting the views like I thought they should? I at least thought that, I would get at least 30 or 40 views. But not to even get 10 to 20 views, it's like, I'm putting this in God's hands again. And I'm praying that, His will be done. So I want to thank you all for watching the video. If you would like, subscribe, ring that notification bell, leave a comment, and share my videos, please. And remember, don't let anyone steal your sunshine or your smile. Have a good day, guys. Bye-bye.